the other day I was thinking about the top 5 things that every beginner motorcycle rider should learn as soon as possible. And that's where I came up with the idea to do this video of the top 5 things that every beginner motorcycle rider should learn as soon as possible. It's stuff nobody teaches you. I wish I had known it when I first started riding. So I don't have any fancy graphics, anything like that. I'm not going to do it because I'm lazy. But number 5, weaving side to side in a lane. You have to know how to do this. It is an essential skill to riding, especially if you're in town. And the sooner you learn how to do it and how to master it, the sooner you can start, doing it. I'm glad I stopped. That was great. So work on that every day. And the technique for that is, right, you want to get in a comfortable cruising gear. I'm in 3rd right now. I could probably do it in a second, but I'm in 3rd right now. And you just push forward on the right handlebar, and you'll go to the right. Push forward on the left, you go to the left. So you just keep doing that, alternating left and right, just pushing forward. And the motorcycle will rock back and forth across the lane. The number 2 skill, did I start off with 5 or 1? Either way, the second skill you want to learn, I didn't have time to demonstrate while we were stopped, but you have to figure out what kind of fidgeter you are at stoplights. Are you going to be tank drummer guy? Are you going to be rev guy? That's personally my favorite. I just like the way the bike sounds, and it's also annoying to the cars around you, so that's an added bonus. You could be flicking the cap on the gas cap guy, but whatever it is, whatever your tick becomes, you need to be consistent with it. That way people can recognize you. So if they see you at a stoplight and you're drumming on your tank, they see you at another stoplight maybe 5 days later and you're drumming on your tank, they'll say, hey, that's drumming on the tank guy. I saw him the other day doing that. That's brand recognition, basically. So it is absolutely necessary. I really like doing that. That's great. So yeah, figure out what your annoying trait's going to be at stoplights and be consistent. Item number 3 that you need to learn is driving way too fast on surface streets, especially in residential neighborhoods. It's annoying AF to everybody except you, but it's an attention getter. People will recognize you by your exhaust note. So do it often. Maybe even go to the same neighborhoods every time. That way they will for sure know who you are. Again, it's about brand recognition. So be as annoying as possible. Bounce off the rev limit. Cannot stress this enough. Stay as high in the RPMs as you can at all times on surface streets. And as soon as I come up with number 4, I'll be... Alright. Number 4 important skill is, even though probably 97% of the cars on the road have no idea you're there, they genuinely do not see you and are not trying to run you over, it is always their fault, no matter what. If they pull out and cut you off, cuss at them, flip them off, maybe drive by and smash their mirrors off. This is important. Even if they do see you, but you're doing 100 miles an hour, which you should be in residential areas, you should always be driving as fast as possible, screaming as loud as possible. We talked about that earlier. But even if you're doing 100 miles an hour and they have no way to judge that you're going to get to them as quicker than they can get pulled out and up to speed, it's their fault. To make sure you let them know it if you gotta kick their door at a stoplight. And maybe that becomes your stoplight thing. I mean, you know, you pull up at a stoplight and you kick doors, and you're door kicking stoplight guy. That's great. But the only people who see you and will still try to run you over are small penis truck dudes. And you know exactly who I'm talking about. But they think for some reason that in their announcement to the world that they have a micro penis, that they can keep you on your motorcycle from passing them. So they see you there and they're actually trying to run you over. Flip them off too. Flip everybody off. But absolutely 100% always blame the people in automobiles. It's never your fault as a motorcycle rider. Alright, so the number 1 thing, or number 5 thing, which way did we start? The number 15 thing every beginner motorcycle rider needs to know. Just have fun, man. Riding bikes is great. I think everybody should do it, and I recommend it to everybody I talk to. Be annoying about it. Get all your friends, even if they don't ride, they hate motorcycles, they think you're the devil for riding a motorcycle. Talk to them about it all the time. I mean, it's the best. You know it, I know it. It's simply the best. So just enjoy it, man. Get out there and have fun. Who cares? Learn how to wheelie, lane split, all the things. Just have